Your SOLIDWORKS designs are always evolving, and on 3DEXPERIENCE, so are the CAD systems. 3DEXPERIENCE brings your ideas to life with cloud-based tools for subdivision and parametric modelling, algorithmic design, and more. Everything you create using these new Xapps can also be integrated into SOLIDWORKS. Built-in collaboration tools make it easy to share ideas, mark up design issues, and stay organised. Watch and see how you can expand your 3D modelling toolbox to enhance your SOLIDWORKS experience and unlock endless design possibilities. Start your designs with Xshape, using existing images as a reference. We can start designing using subdivision modelling to create a primitive shape and adjust the size and mesh parameters. We can then use manipulation tools to push and pull the surface, almost like digital clay. You can drag and snap lines into place using existing geometry. From there, you can subdivide and extrude faces or insert entirely new edges or loops. Add features to your surface for style or function, and even align your surface to a curve you can draw on screen with your cursor or finger. You can also copy, scale, and paste existing surfaces. Jump into a section view while modelling and check for manufacturability with draft analysis. We can access the cage view to show the mesh from which the curved surface is being generated. And as your surface becomes more complex, we can use soft selection to affect multiple vertices at once. Flatten areas of the surface to use as sketch planes. Switch from a fillet to a chamfer on the fly and add new features without the need for sketches. You can even stop and make a new sketch whilst in the middle of a command. Leverage both cosmetic and physical thread options for holes and studs. And while thickening faces, any problematic areas are highlighted so you can adjust your surface or thickness accordingly. Thin features can also be turned into new parts in just a few clicks. We can seamlessly switch to other cloud apps for different types of design, such as Generative design. Generative design takes an algorithmic approach to modelling, combining interactive 3D geometry and visual scripting. Use operator boxes to quickly generate complex patterns and see your model evolve. If changes are ever needed to the original geometry, patterns update automatically. Prepare prototypes with integrated additive manufacturing tools. Connect to a cloud machine or input custom metrics to suit. Visualize the support required and modify the layer height to suit the detail required. Export in the latest additive manufacturing formats to go from digital model to physical product very quickly. Let's look at redesigning a part using Xshape. Use the flex command to taper your surface along a direction. Align your selection to a sketch or curve in the model. Go from box selection to lasso and align vertices to each other. You can also use Boolean commands like combine and subtract for multi-body workflows. Add holes to your model from a vast library of standard sizes. You can then use sketches to define a subdivision surface, then sculpt it into your desired shape. Take advantage of other applications like lattice design to make components lightweight and retain structural integrity. The Lattice Design Assistant walks you through the process step by step. First, select the area for lattice generation, then select the type of lattice you want to apply. Adjust the size, shape, and orientation of your lattice, and you end up with a custom polyhedral lattice merged with your original geometry. When it's time to update your assembly, replace any component with a new part or revision. Search for other components and drag and drop them into your assembly. Start selecting faces to add mates between components. Mirror components across a plane to create a symmetrical copy. Drag and drop fasteners to add mates on the fly. And the Design Assistant predicts the placement of similar components and mates them into place. Use your mated assembly to visualize real-world motion in your designs. And to summarize, Xshape gives us the ability to utilize subdivision modeling to create more complex models. Xdesign has new and improved modeling features, utility and collaboration tools. Generative design now allows us to combine modern modeling strategies with algorithmic coding to create features that would take days to create previously. Lattice design now gives us the ability to create lightweight files in a few clicks, ready for printing.